Good morning. Welcome to the EBS instructional video. The following video will show you how to easily connect your LX20B communicator to an HS2016 DSC control panel. Go to ebssmart.com. Log into the installer area. Here you'll gain access to all materials related to our products. Go to Smart Communicators, then Instructions and Manuals, and select the type of communicator you are interested in. In our case, it will be the classic TLX. You'll find a quick installation guide here. In it, you'll find all the information you need during the installation process. Start with a wiring diagram, followed by programming instructions and ending with instructions for connecting to the mobile app. Start the installation by connecting the LX20B communicator to the DSC control panel. Connect the wire from the aux- terminal of the control panel to the ground connector. Then connect the wire from the aux+ terminal of the control panel to the plus 12-volt connector. Then connect the communicator output labeled Out1 to the selected DSC panel input. Connect the In1 input of the LX20B communicator to the selected output of the DSC. You must now properly program the DSC panel. To do this, follow the instructions in the quick installation guide. You can now proceed to program the LX20 communicator. To do this, you must go to ebssmart.com. Again, to download the EBS Config 2.0 software used to configure the device. Go to the Repository tab and then click Configurators. Download the EBS Config 2.0 software in the latest version available. Follow the steps in the installer one by one. At this point, the EBS Config 2.0 application is ready for use. You will now need to establish a connection to the device using the Connection Settings option on the right side of the screen. Choose the preferred way of connecting to the device. For the purpose of this video, we opted for the GD-Prog programmer. Enter a connection name and select the system port to which the programmer is connected. The connection configured in this way will appear in the list. Confirm it by clicking OK. You can now proceed to program the LX20B communicator parameters. To do so, select New Configuration and then Classic T LX20B. Go to the Inputs and Outputs tab. Input In1 and change its mode to normally open. Go to Output 1, Out 1, Advanced Output Control, Inputs, Input Violation, In1 Input Violation, Enable Output Response. Then go to Input Return, In1 Input Return, Disable Output Response. In order for the EX20B communicator to establish communication with the mobile application communication server, its communication channel must be programmed accordingly. To do so, go to Communication Channels and select your preferred channel. In our case, it will be the mobile network. Go to the mobile network option and enter the server parameters, i.e., its address. communication port, and access point parameters. The configuration template created in this way can now be uploaded to the device. To do this, select the Send Configuration option on the right side of the screen. Enter the service code of the device. The default code is 4 ones. Click the Send button. At this point, the device is programmed and ready to connect to the mobile application server. You can now proceed to register the LX20B communicator in the EBS security application. To do this, go to the registration option and create a user account by entering your username and password. Select the transmitter option. Enter the serial number of your device. And create an access code for the device. You can now proceed to edit the object. To do this, go to Settings, Object Settings. Select your object. Edit Object. At the bottom, you'll find the Arming Control tab. Select the output and input that you previously programmed in the LX20B. Save. The main screen will now show the option to remotely arm and disarm the DSC control panel. Send a remote command by clicking on the closed padlock icon.